Who's ready to try a sewing room hack? Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen. This channel is all about making sewing fun and approachable. I've got to change the rotary blade on my rotary cutter. This is the Gingher 45 millimeter. Beautiful, great rotary cutter. Unfortunately, it is discontinued, including the cutting blades. So I ended up finding some third-party Japanese steel blades on Amazon. But we have a bit of a problem here. And what happens, and I was looking up some solutions, this is like a pack of 10 and it comes in this little case, but they're all stuck together and there's like oil all around the cutting blades. Apparently it keeps them from rusting, which I totally understand. But the issue that comes into play is that you can't get them apart. So I was looking up some solutions to this and I found one that I'm gonna try in real time, and it involves a hairdryer. This is kind of a cheapo hairdryer. It's a Revlon, not sponsored. I got this, I think it was from Target or something. If I can find it, I'll link it because it is a really nice hairdryer for the price, and I've had it for several years. And then I'll also link the rotary cutter blades because these do work pretty well. And I do have some Gingher blades left, but I wanted to try these out because they were way cheaper and all of the Gingher stuff is discontinued. So I need sort of a future option here. The hack I saw, they said to put the blades on a towel, heat it up with a hairdryer, and the hairdryer will sort of loosen the oil and you should be able to like slide them apart. So I thought I would give it a try. So we're gonna see if this actually works or not. I guess we'll do high heat. We'll see if that works. So I guess we'll put these on the towel, okay? And they basically said to like heat it up and then like use the towel to sort of get these apart. Because that's the thing, if you try to pull them apart, you're gonna end up cutting yourself. So I was like, how do you even do this? So we'll put this on the hot setting here and then we'll just give it a whirl. All right, let's see if this made a difference. Let me get the towel here. Oh my gosh, all right. Is this actually working? From what I read, the oil gets a little bit gunky when it's dried up. Some of them are coming apart, but I can't get like a single, I can't seem to get just one here. Oh wait, actually, wait, is this working? Maybe this is working. And it is kind of hard to pick up just one. It's like you have to pick up like a bunch of them at a time. All right, ooh, okay, wow. What do you know, that actually kind of worked. It did make it easier to slide them apart and it wasn't so difficult. So let's change out the blade now. And this one's pretty easy to change. I'm so sorry this is discontinued because this is such an awesome rotary cutter. And this one is magnetic, so I just have to like take the old one off. See this little metal part here? I just have to put this in the center and it is magnetic. So I just have to put this into the rotary cutter. All right, and we managed to pick up just one. I can't believe it, that hack actually worked. So yeah, a hairdryer if you have trouble getting your rotary blades apart if you're buying them in a multi-pack. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sewing Report. Let me know what you think of this tip, and if you have any of your own, let me know down below in the comments. See you guys again in the next one, and remember, whatever you're doing, make it fun.